So this year's theme is the Forge. It's all about heat, collaboration, and transformation. Just like how raw metal becomes something strong and useful through fire, we too grow stronger together.
Good morning, campers!
Welcome to Converge 8 Engineering Camp 2025.
Over the next 2 days, we'll hear stories, learn new skills, and most importantly, forge connections that will make us a better engineer and workmates.
Let's meet our master crafters, our workshop teams for this year's engineering camp.
So as we start the journey, together remember, the heat isn't a problem.
Alam mo na mahirap siya kasi you have to work on a system.
That's what we actually train you. You actually can zoom out so you could see the whole picture. Take 2 steps back. You're able to filter out noise.
What is my first step, second step, third step? That is your zooming in. And then, pagdating dun sa part, step 4, ay, didn't work. Error pa rin siya, hindi ko ma-resolve. Zoom out is actually not just done alone. It's done with your peers, and that builds collaboration.
Excellence is just not one person. If it's really getting to know each and every one of your team members on a personal level.
Forge isn't comfortable. It's hot, loud, messy. That's what this camp is for, to build together, to share what we know, test assumptions, and maybe even disagree. But it's all part of the process.
You'll build, you'll compete a little, and you'll laugh a lot. Because this camp isn't just about excellence in our craft, but also the joy of building excellence together.
Welcome to day 2 of our engineering camp.
Let's go over to today's activity called the TLX Tempering Grounds.
The Forge, the goal isn't to avoid heat, but to use it to see where we must strengthen. Because incidents aren't just setbacks, they're setups for improvement.
In the Capsule Arena, each team will get a chance to showcase and demonstrate their technical depth, leadership thinking, and the discipline they've built throughout the program.
We reforge, take the shards, learn, improve the steel, and return with something better.
It was never about just building technical skill. It was about shaping character, shaping the kind of engineers who don't flinch when things get tough. Being an engineer isn't about knowing every answer. It's about having the courage to start. So forge ahead. Be the spark. Be the heat. Be the one who makes things happen.
As engineers, we have to understand what the system is. But the people is at the heart of the system. So if we make our operations more human, we improve our observability and the view of things.
If you ever want to measure your value as an engineer, don't count the tickets you've closed. Count the times you said, I didn't know how to do it, but I will find a way. So you've spent the last 2 days here, building, talking, breaking, thinking, learning, and pushing. The Forge doesn't end here. The Forge starts with you.